Oh, Randy, Randy, hit me again, quick!
I don't understand that, man. 150,000 volts at that high of current knocks most men out cold. Earl likes it. Hello folks, thanks for tuning in. I got an idea a while back about these ebows and intonating guitars. And I bought this, I've had it for a pretty good while. My daughter got sick and I never got to make videos for a long time, I never even got to try. But I have been using it since then. And it's pretty sweet. I know a lot of you all know what an ebow is, and some of you probably never heard of them before. They've been around for a long time. I never did use one, but I never did even own one. But I bought this one not to play music with, but to intonate guitars with, and I was surprised at how well this works. Come on over, I'm going to get you and bring you over here closer, and I'll show you the thing if you want to purchase one to set your intonation. Show you just exactly how it arrives. So let's do it! An ebow, or electronic bow. It's like a fiddle bow in a box. But if you do purchase one, if you like this video, I don't get anything out of this if you purchase it or not. I'm just showing you this is what you get if you buy one of these. It comes with instructions and a pretty little bag, little case, and two 9-volt batteries came with this one. I don't know if that's with every one or not. There's what it looks like. You got a switch right here. One way the switch is normal, the center is off, and in the other direction it's an octave higher than what the real tone is. Anyways, that's what it looks like. When you flip the switch on, you can see a little blue light. I think it's blue, yeah. Of course, you turn it off and go the other direction, the light comes on. Same thing. It's got two little grooves under here. Okay? The string you want to... what this does is creates an electromagnetic field around the string and causes it to vibrate. Okay? And the string rings out. And well, let me get an amp hooked up here. I got everything right here. Let me hook an amp up. I'll bring you right back and we'll get in right straight into this, and I'll show you how the thing works. Hold on. My apologies for the air conditions running and fans, and it was 107 degrees here the other day. It's not that hot today. It's in the 90s, but it's hot. So sorry about the background noise. Okay, using the ebow to set your intonation with. Well, let me show you how it works first. Let me show you. I got the guitar hooked into a little amp over there. I guess I could get a little more volume on that probably. You should be able to hear that over top of the air conditions. Now here's the way it works. I'm going to flip it on normal use. You see the blue light come on there. All you do is hold this. I'm going to do the second string. So I'll put the first string and third strings in those grooves, and the second one will ride in the center here, just off of the second string. Start. There you go. Now if you want to do the first string or the outside strings, you put the string next to it in the groove. It depends where you are on the string too. The thing to keep in mind is the string that you want to vibrate, you always want to run it in the center. Don't touch it on the string. Just barely above it a little bit. Like I say, move back and forth till it finds it. You see, if I have this hooked up to a tuner, I've got a tuner here, but I can't run through the tuner to the amp, so it's just got an input, that's all, no output. But you can see how easy it would be to intonate, say, the second string. Get it in tune first with this. Make sure it's in tune, 440, and note the 12th fret. Check the harmonic also. Instead of just you know, picking the string and trying to intonate those few seconds before the string dies out, this gives you a constant this has got little toys. I'll show you one of the things I like to play with on it. This is the like a octave. The camera's picking up the octave difference. It's an octave higher than what the string is actually tuned. Like a harmonic. If I could switch it while I'm doing it. See, that's normal. That's normal there. And here's the octave. It's actually an octave higher than noted at the 12th fret. It works on acoustic instruments as well. You don't need an amp. Let me get an acoustic instrument and I'll show you. Well, you know, the closest thing I could find acoustically was a banjo, a banger. But it's just to show you it works on acoustic instruments as well as electric. It's a 12th fret, 3rd string. Like I say, if you want the outside strings, you got to rest the. Say I want to check the first string, I have to rest the second one in this groove, and it's kind of hard to hold because you got to be the right distance from the first string to make it work. I think I'm touching the string with this. Like I say, you don't want to touch the string that you want to vibrate. Use that to tune it to D. That's a D note. Check your harmonics, or hit your 12th fret. And if it's intonating right, you're going to see it. It's a cool little rig, man, for intonating your guitar or anything with.
Oh, Randy! Randy! Give it to me!
Some channels on YouTube will tell you this does not work with phosphor bronze strings or coated strings like Elixir. Well, these are Elixir, and you can see they're phosphor bronze. So let's find out. Okay, here's the second string. It's not. So that works. Third string is coated, and it's bronze. Fourth, fifth, and sixth. I'm getting against the string. So it does work with the phosphor bronze strings. You just got to get in the right place with it. Here's the octave thing. The harmonic note at the 12th fret is an octave lower than that was. I'll probably never use that octave setting on it. I just want it for the tuning issue, the tuning of intonating. Sounds to me like it's intonating perfectly, but I don't have a tuner on it. Anyways, it's something to think about. I can't remember what I paid for it. Like I said, my daughter was sick. I bought it along about that time, and just in the past week been using it. And I like it, man. For intonating guitars, it's a new thing. And plus, you may like to play with it. People actually play music with them. You know, hold the guitar up and put it on the string and play the string. But you got to be very accurate with this, man, if you do that. It's, I'll give you one last good look at it. There's where the string rides, and where the two outside strings rides in these grooves. And there's your switch for one's just normal, and the other is for an octave higher. 9-volt battery, and you've seen everything that comes with it. So there you go. Cheers. I hope this helps you in your intonating worlds. And I'll see you next time.
Oh, Randy, Randy, hit me again, quick!